I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to create a contact form in Google Sites. We'll focus on the most effective and integrated method, which involves using Google Forms. This approach guarantees a smooth user experience and reliable data capture. You'll discover how to build a custom form and then seamlessly embed it into your Google site, making it fully functional for your visitors. Let's get started with the first step. First, navigate to Google Forms and select the option to start a new blank form. You'll want to include crucial fields like a text box for the visitor's name, an email address field, and a paragraph text area for their message. Feel free to add other question types, such as multiple choice or drop-downs if needed. Remember to customize the form's colors and fonts to align perfectly with your Google Sites aesthetic, ensuring a cohesive look. Now, open your Google site and go to the specific page where you want the contact form to appear. On the right-hand side, locate the Insert panel and click on the Embed option. From there, you will see a prompt to select Google Forms. Choose the form you just created. Once embedded, you can easily drag and resize the form to fit perfectly within your page layout, ensuring it looks professional and is easy to use. Finally, it's time to test your new contact form. Preview your Google site to see how the form appears to visitors. Submit a test entry yourself to confirm that all fields are working and that the submission process is smooth. Then, go back to your Google form and check the Responses tab to ensure your test entry was recorded. Once you're satisfied, publish your Google site to make your fully functional contact form available to everyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.